Alright, you guys, I got another new one here for you guys. Something a little different to my ordinary stuff. It's a 68 Camaro. Got a reworked 355 in there. It looks pretty good. It's got a whole bunch of goodies in it. It's got the biggest Summit cam that you can buy. Their track cams. The hydraulic, 500 lift, 246. It's a project. Gotta love the Boss 338s. It's a nice car. Original seats in it. Everything's been cut out with paint already. Got my sun tach in there. But I do got one thing I'm gonna change, is that intake. Change it to something a little more unique. This is the edelbrock SY1 cross ram. I'm gonna end up bolting it down on there next. And there's some more parts for it been cut out and ready to go. Alright. I'll let you hear the thing run. Playing around with it, got the 750 right on it, one wire alternator, 140 amp. It's got true duals, 2.5 inch exhaust. Sounds pretty good. It's got the thrush mufflers. It's all done on the bottom side. I haven't got the exhaust on it yet. I mean the gas tank. Here, let you hear a little rumble there. Didn't mean to knock the camera over. But that's my project. I got a lot to do to it. I've only had it a few weeks here, but it's gonna be something different. There you go. Still got the points in there too though, just for giggles. She runs good. Thank you for watching.